Asset finance is a really important contributor to the UK economy, and whether or not you're a small specialist SME or a larger corporate organisation, it can be used to help you fund your business critical assets. In terms of a contributor to the UK economy, it represents £31 billion worth of lending and investment, which has grown 40% in the last 4 years. And what that means in context is 1 in 3 of the new assets which are purchased in the UK are funded using an asset finance product, such as hire purchase or leasing. For clients, it's really relevant, particularly in the manufacturing space, where we are looking to improve automation, drive productivity, or create efficiency gains. The Lloyds strategy of helping Britain prosper absolutely plays out in how we support the manufacturing sector, where we see the funding of business critical assets and the supporting of investment and growth as a real benefit from working with an asset finance product. One of the things that Lloyds is doing and has recently launched is a £500 million asset finance fund which works across the manufacturing sector. That gives clients confidence that we're here and open for business and really looking to support them. One example is an armchair manufacturer who took a £250,000 funding line from us, and they used that to invest in 2 robotic welding machines. Those welding machines have helped transform the business, helped push on in terms of their productivity, and in the last discussion we had with them, they told us how productivity had risen by 25% just as a result of the introduction of those 2 new assets into their business. I think for many manufacturers there's a hesitancy around investment, and investment is absolutely key for organisations who want to improve productivity, create efficiency, reduce waste, or introduce things like automation. I think there is absolute value in thinking about how asset finance can be used to drive capital expenditure and investment plans early, instead of committing cash which can be used elsewhere within your business to pay for an asset as it's used instead of in advance. When a client uses asset finance to fund a new asset, they're spreading the cost of that asset and they're not paying a large cash lump sum up front. That cash can then be reused and reinvested within their organisation, and it gives them much more optionality around how they use that money. They can use it for marketing, they can use it to employ new staff, they can use it to transform their premises. There are a number of options in terms of how that cash flow can be used, and it allows them to be much more responsive to changing circumstances and potential opportunities that might present themselves to that business.